Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're wondering how to take a screenshot in your Windows 11 PC, you came to the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and straightforward tutorial. And it's going to be, or you'll find here, two different methods. So if the first one doesn't work for you, you can always use the second one. So let's go ahead and start. First, to use the built-in option, you need to go ahead and tap on Windows and then Shift and then S at the same time. Just like that, you get this bar in the top. You tap on this button to get the snipping area options. You can choose rectangular, window, full screen, or freeform. Let's say I choose freeform. I get to draw a circle around the area that I want to take a screenshot of. Let's say I want this screenshot. Just like that, I took a screenshot of that area that I have selected. Now if I tap the same button, so Windows Shift S, I get the same bar in the top. So let's say I select full screen. As soon as I tap on it, screenshot taken successfully, just like that. Now if I want to find those screenshots, I need to go to my PC and then go to images and then screenshots. It should be right here. And here are the screenshots that I've taken. This is the screenshot that I have taken with freeform, and this is the one using full screen option. Now if this option or this built-in option didn't work for you, you can easily go to your Microsoft Store. So we're going to need the help of a third-party app. Simply search for screenshot and you find dozens of apps right here that serve the same purpose. So as you can see, Screenshot HD, 4.5 stars. So you can try this one or any one of your liking right here and use this app or these apps to take screenshots if the built-in option didn't work for you for some reason. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in future videos.